that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is limitless, that we have at our grasp the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will. Thank you for coming and seeing one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next presentation is located across the street at the flagpole. Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam.
Right now, the sun's causing real flare.
Yeah, they can afford for the observation and all that. No,
either side is okay. Step in, please.
yeah.
Along the railing, these fine folks just picked that spot where you can see, and you are welcome to go to the end down here. There's a great view down there also, and anywhere along the railing.
This one.
Folks, please come all the way in. There's lots of room on this end of the railing. You're too crowded by that doorway. Because some roads are. It's not, I don't make it fun.
fun. It's just that if you have truck traffic, you're going to make it this is the view. So it's one of those, it's a little something to clear up. It just makes you think. But just check out the view, okay? It's been a beautiful day. Check out the view. I have to come back. Take a picture if you want, then we're going to come back, folks.
Okay.
Let's go back on the right.
Bob should know. He's waiting on you. He's backing up, right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. What a shot. Get one low if you can. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That's really something to be underneath. Okay. Yeah. We've got to let someone else up.
Yeah.
It's worth the view in the camera shot.